Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a bootable USB for Windows 10 or 11. So open up your web browser and use the search box and just search for Windows 11 or Windows 10 download. From the search results, open up Download Windows link from Microsoft. Now from this page, click on the Download Media Creation Tool button, which will help you create the USB for your chosen Windows installation. You will now be asked to choose the language and edition of Windows that you wish to create. You can uncheck the Use Recommended Options feature, and now you can manually define your language and edition. Click on the Next button after choosing, and then choose USB flash drive. Then click on Next, and you may now choose your flash drive with which you would like to create your bootable disk. After choosing it, click on the Next button, and now the Windows Media Creation tool will begin the download of Windows 11 onto your USB device that you have connected. After the download, it will also create the bootable disk. Wait for a while until the process ends, and once it is done, you can finalize the progress, and you can then start using this USB to install Windows on any PC. Make sure to have a valid license key to use after the installation is done. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a bootable USB disk for Windows 10 or 11 on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.